Hey girl, welcome to A Lady in Her 30s, Diary Entry 1. Let's make life a little prettier as we figure it all out, one vlog at a time. As you can see, we already did that. Let's just go back a few days.
I love when people have like tea hair and like face tattoos.
This looks so good.
It does look good.
The baseball boy shined.
Man, I gotta get color next time.
Color would be fire.
Is everyone in there? Kirsten, I thought you was gonna say your name. I said the Gibbs. Mr. and Miss. Oh, Mr. and Mrs. Gibbs.
You know that. And my oldest grandkids are so special to me. I don't mean no harm about it, but they are. They're just so special to me because I had a part of it more than the younger ones. So I'm thankful to God. It's time we gonna pray.
Are y'all going anywhere tonight?
No, we're going home straight home and going to sleep.
But I just want to show off tomorrow.
That's happening on the 29th to
These two right here.
That's not even what I want. Go over there to them.
Say hello, guys. Guys, smile. Smile for Ashlyn's vlog. That's some silly stuff.
Just put that cake and get some that cake.
One, two, three, go. Oh, 3, 2, 1.
It's hard.
Three, 2, 1. All right now.
Okay, so originally I did start this series as just a lady in her 30s. I mean, just a girl in her 30s. But I changed it to a lady in her 30s. Only because for the last few weeks or months, I've been trying to figure out what do I want to call my girls? Like, do I want to say, hey ladies? Or, I don't know, I just wanted to say lady. And instead of saying just a girl in her 30s, that's like we're ladies, okay? So a lady in her 30s, and we're just figuring it all out, you know, one vlog at a time. Now, this is not always going to be like a sit down type of topic. Sometimes we're not going to be doing anything because, I mean, life is just as it goes, you know. Sometimes it just may be like what I'm doing for the day. I may have like a little topic or, you know, something that I'm going through or experiencing. I don't know, because I mean, I haven't gotten there yet. So yeah, that's the whole point of figuring out one vlog at a time. And by the way, I'm not even 30 yet. I'm 29, but I'll be 30 in a couple of months in April. So why not start this series now? So yeah, just life as a girl, life as a lady in her 30s, going in her 30s, and just again figuring it out, because who has it figured out? Everyone's experience is different. Even if you're going through the same thing, your experience is different. You may have not been through what someone else has been through. We're all just trying to figure it out. Oh, and most importantly, the center of this series, God. Okay? So we're going to do a little, well, not, we're going to do a lot of God talk. I don't know. I'm going to put some stuff together. I'm just trying to start filming and putting the content out instead of thinking I have to have it all planned, which is what this series is about. Like, we're just figuring it all out. Everything is content. Let's just post. And just see how everything flows and go. So, welcome to a lady in her 30s. And okay, clearly I'm not looking at the camera right. I'm filming on my phone, and I'm just like, I'm trying to look at myself. So I'm not really looking at, I guess, over here to make it look straight. Like, it's just weird. I'm just trying to look at myself and see what's going on. Okay, but yeah, hope you enjoy this vlog. I'm going to try to be consistent. No, I'm not going to try. I am going to be consistent. So like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, because they're going to be on the roll. As you can see, I'm really feeling my hair, so I got to get it while it's going good. Okay, let's go.